Just look at that.
Hello my lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'll be preparing a very delicious yet simple marble cake. I'll be showing you how we make our cakes here in the village without an oven, yet it also turns out very good. So kindly if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up. So let's dive into our video. So we'll start by mixing our dry ingredients, and in our recipe we shall be using 2 cups of flour. So I'm using this size of cup. Oops. Okay. So there we have our 2 cups flour. I'll go in with 1 cup sugar. I'll take a 1/4 teaspoon salt, and then I'll go ahead and sieve it. So I'll go in with 2 spoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons. So I'll go ahead and mix it so that the baking powder also incorporates with the flour. I'll set it aside and then mix together our wet ingredients. So I'm using 2 large eggs. So these are double yolk eggs, that's why you're seeing 4 yolks, but there are 2 eggs. So with the same cup, I'll go ahead and measure 1 cup of milk. And then I'll go in with 3/4 cup of oil. So at this stage, I'll go ahead and pour in our mixture. Well, right now I'm done mixing our butter, so I'll go ahead and pour part of it in another dish. And then in the remaining one, I'll go in with 5 spoons of cocoa powder. Well, that's the texture we want. And this right here. So in order for our cake not to stick, I have a saucepan I've aligned with parchment paper. So I'll go ahead and pour in our butter little by little. So you keep on pouring butter on top of the one you poured before, so that to form the layers. Well, as easy as that, we finished layering our butter in our saucepan. So right now, I'll take it for baking. Well, our oven has been going for a long time and it's very hot. So I'll go ahead and place in our butter. And then I'll place on this iron sheet. It's the one we always use for baking. So I have another charcoal stove going on this side. I'll pour it on top. Well, our cake is ready. You can see the knife comes out very clean with nothing sticking on it. I just want to cut it and show you how it looks like on the inside. Look at that. Just look at that. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.